Okay, this was conducted in Ahmedabad, and we were having such a beautiful training today, and the training session was very interesting because all the participants have been taken the great excited, and actually they have participated very much with their heartily and faithfully. I would like to I would like to present this pics for you because actually this is the training whatever we are given and we have showed you here. To all the friends, it is my kind request to take such a type of trainings in each factory, industry, colleges, and each and everywhere because we can save someone's life. So it is my kind request to each and every person who is looking this pics, because if you just looking this pics, just see the interaction session whatever we have told here. We have given such a beautiful training here, and you can have this type of training in your area, in colleges and institutions, and basically you can conduct this type of training in as actually in factory in industrial training also. So this is once again Dr. G M Patil with you, and thanks each and everyone. Okay, thank you for giving your valuable time. And I want to suggest one more thing. Some of the protocols whatever we are covering here, just I will repeat it. Okay, basically we are taking with the basic life support, and we are giving CPR training, and especially the AED training also. So this is a very important part. And the first aid, basically we are covering each and every part, especially heart attack and cardiac arrest, especially one more things, uh, that is electric shock and choking. And we are covering maximum points like snake bites, dog bites, and scorpion bites. And totally this type of a training, we are having some practical sessions, especially of how to give the dressing and how to give the proper this one that is called as how to conduct and how to make the practicals regarding each and every part. Okay, this is once again I'm giving thanks to each and every person who is seeing the specs. Okay, thanks a lot, and please share to each and every friend and nearby ones because it will save the someone's life. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you once again. Meet you very fast. Okay, thanks a lot. Thank you each and everyone. Bye.